Hello viewers, myself Rasmi Singh here from JVS with the first chapter last number. Before I start the chapter, subscribe our school channel. If you like this video, please share it and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Student, we are going to discuss chapter 1 large numbers. Do you know the largest 7-digit numbers? It is taught in class 4. Very good. If we add 1 in this number, then we will get smallest 8-digit number. We read this number as 1 crore. Same that way, I am writing here largest 8-digit number. If we add 1 in this number, we will get smallest 9-digit number. This is also known as the 10 crores. So dear student, we will learn the large number up to 10 crores in this chapter. Now we will extend the place value chart up to 9 places to learn the large numbers. For that, we will see the place value chart. There are two types of place value chart, Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So first we discuss about the Indian place value chart. In an Indian place value chart, the 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. These periods from right to left are ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. Ones period divided into 3 places and rest thousand, lakhs and crore periods are divided into 2 places. We separate the periods by using commas. We read it this way: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. By using the place value chart, we easily find out the smallest and greatest numbers. Now we will learn by an example to put the comma in a number by using Indian place value chart. Let's count ones, tens, hundred. So we will put first comma here. After that, thousand, 10,000, we will put the second comma. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs, we will put the third comma here. So this way we will paste the commas after completed the period. Now we learn to write the number in words. For that, first we start the counting from ones place up to crore. Then we see 49 is coming on crore period, 76 is coming on the lakhs period, and 31 is coming on the thousand period, and 225 is coming on the ones period. Means we have to write this way: 49 crore 76 lakh 31,225. Now the second example for writing words. Here you maybe get confused to seeing the zero on the different places. So no need of getting confused. Just start the counting as previous example and skip the zero places of the periods. Means 90 crore 5 lakh 10,068. Now few questions for your practice. Look at the first question. What is the place value of 3 in this number? Just count down with me up to 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Means 30 lakh. So what is the answer? 30 lakhs. Because the place value of any digit depend on its position in any number. Here 3 is on that 10 lakhs position. That's why the place value is 30 lakh. Now second question. What comes just after 95 lakh 36,999? As we know, when we are writing just after number, we add plus 1 in the given number. So when we add plus 1 in the given number, what we will get? Very good. 95 lakh 37,000. Now third question. What comes just before 99 lakhs? We know when we are writing just before number, that time we are doing minus 1 from the given number. So when we do minus 1 from the given number, we will get very good. 98 lakhs 99,999. Now we learn the face value. The face value of a number is the number itself. Means actual value of a number. Let's see by an example. Here one number is given. In this number we will write the face value of 7 and 2. So the face value of 7 is 7 and the face value of 2 is 2 because 7 having its actual value as a 7 and 2 is having actual value as 2. means position of the digit in any number doesn't have any matter. In all places, its place value remains same as actual number. So maybe it's on a ones place or tens place or any other places of the period. Now we are going to discuss about the international place value chart, which is followed by the large number of countries in the world. There are three periods in international place value chart. These periods are ones, thousands and millions. Again, these three periods are divided into three places. First period is ones period, which is having ones, tens and hundred places, and second period is thousands period, which is having 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 places, and third period is millions period, which is having millions, 10 millions and 100 millions places. Now by this example, I will tell you how to apply the commas in international system of numeration. So start counting with me. Ones, tens, 100. Here our first period completed. So we apply the here first comma. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. There our second period is completed. So we apply the second comma. Now with the same number we will learn to write in words according to international place value chart. One thing is very interesting here. We start the counting from right side, means from ones period. But when we write in word, that time we write from left side, means from last digit place in the period. So see here, 7 is on the last place in millions period. So we write in words according to its position, means 765,049,813. Now the next example, write the following in figure. Here is given 64,119,232. We put the digit according to their position in the place value chart. If any place of period is missing from there, it means we will put the 0 on that place. Now at last few important points related with the chapter. First, when a digit having position on the ones place, that time its face value and place value remain same. In international place value system, we write the large number this way. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions, and 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. Now few questions for your practice. See the question 1. What is the face value and place value of 5 in the given number? See here, 5 is here on which place? Very good, ones place. So I already told, if any digit is given on the ones place, that time its face value and its place value remains very good, same. Means its face value and place value is 5. Now second question, how many number of zeros in 100 millions? So student, I already told about this. So just count down and tell me how many zeros there in 100 millions. Very good, 8. Now question 3 in the homework for your practice. Thank you.